Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fathiah and today I will discuss about amplifier. So, amplifier is an electric device that increases the voltage, current, or power of a signal. Amplifiers are used in wireless communication and broadcasting, and in audio equipment of all kinds. They can be categorized as either big signal amplifier or power amplifiers. And then the function of amplifier. The work of an amplifier is to convert a small electric current into a bigger one. There are numerous techniques that may be applied to achieve this. Power amplifiers are considered necessary as they have a variety of devices comprising microwave ovens, headphones, home theater system, and others, which are commonly used electronics. The motors such as DC motors, servo motors, and the others are the ones that use amplifiers in order to increase the throughput of the running electronic motors. Communication through long distance has become possible by utilizing efficient power amplifiers. Higher is the rate of transfer, the more it is used in electronic applications. So there are three types of amplifier. There are voltage amplifier, current amplifier, and power amplifier. First of all is voltage amplifier. So a voltage amplifier is the one that produces an output signal with increased voltage level when a low voltage signal is input to it. A voltage amplifier is used in such applications where we need signal transmission at higher voltage through a long wire. Therefore, the voltage amplifier is similar to a transformer in the sense that it can increase the voltage level of a signal. The voltage amplifiers are used in various applications, such as in wireless communications, broadcasting of signals, audio equipment like speakers, and others. Next, there is current amplifier. A current amplifier is an electronic circuit that is used to magnify or increase the magnitude of the current, keeping the voltage component of the input signal unchanged. Finally, passes this amplified signal to its succeeding circuits. Thus, the amplification of the input signal is termed as the current amplifications. The input signals can be any of the constant or the time varying waveforms. During the amplification process, the current amplifier amplifies the current component of the input signal, keeping the voltage component unchanged. And the last is power amplifier. As its name implies, a power amplifier is an electronic device which boosts the power level of an input signal. It consists of a power transistor, as a normal transistor cannot be used in the power amplifications, because in a power amplifier, the transistor must be able to handle a large amount of power. The power amplifier are extensively used in several applications like in headphone drivers, TV, mobile, music systems, microwave ovens, and the others. So, how does an amplifier work? An amplifier takes an input signal from a source, such as a laptop, turntable, or CD player, and creates a large copy of the original signals before it's sent to the speakers. It gets the power to do this from your mains electricity, which is sent directly to the power supply within the amplifier. Here, it's converted from an alternating current to a direct one, which only flows in one direction and is sent on to the transistor. The transistor works like a valve and determines the amount of current that flows through the circuit at any time. It bases that decision on the size of the input signal from the source. That means a large signal will cause the transistor to allow more current to flow, which in turn creates a greater amplifications. The volume control is the final bit of the puzzle, which decides how much of this current is passed through to the speakers. So there are electronic amplifier classes. First of all is Class A amplifier, has low efficiency of less than 40% but good signal reproduction and linearity. Next is Class B amplifier. So it's twice as efficient as Class A amplifiers with a maximum theoretical efficiency of about 70% because the amplifying device only conducts and uses power for half of the input signal. There is Class AB amplifier, has an efficiency rating between that of Class A and Class B but poorer signal reproduction than Class A amplifiers. And the last is Class C amplifier. It's the most efficient amplifier class, but distortion is very high as only a small portion of the input signal is amplified, therefore the output signal bears very little resemblance to the input signals. Class C amplifiers have the worst signal reproductions. So that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.